Well, I thought we'd have a quiet evening.